In this video, I'm going to show you how to make all rows and columns the same size in Google Sheets. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you want to make your spreadsheet look a bit more cleaner and organized, you can quickly make every row and column the same size. This is especially useful for schedules, checklists, calendars, and even image grids. Now, the best method to do is resize all rows and columns at once. So click the select all button on the top left hand corner, so in between A and 1, and that's going to select all. Now right click any selected column letter, so I'm going to right click this like so. Okay, don't select all, we want to go ahead and select the columns, so I'm going to select the first 7 columns, and then right click on a column number and then click on resize columns. Then from there, enter a new column width in pixels. So your default is 100. So go ahead and put in an amount, and you can see this has been resized. And same if we go ahead and select the rows and then click on resize rows. And now default is 21. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on 21, and that's going to go ahead and resize or make all your columns and rows the same size again.